Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add a welcome bot to your Discord server using your mobile device. First, open your browser and search for a popular bot website like top.gg. On the homepage, use the search bar to look for a welcome bot. For this example, let's use a bot called Nova. Click on the bot's name and then tap the Invite button. A new tab will open, asking you to log into your Discord account. Enter your login details if you aren't already logged in. Next, you'll see a page asking you to select a server. Choose the server where you want to add the welcome bot. Remember, you must be the server owner or have admin permissions to do this. After selecting your server, click Continue. On the next page, ensure all permissions are checked. These permissions allow the bot to work correctly on your server. Then, click Authorize to confirm. You may also need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify. Now, open the Discord app to check if the bot has been added successfully. Go to your server and you should see the bot in the member list. To set up the welcome messages, type a command like /setup in the server's text channel or check the bot's website for specific setup instructions. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.